Hi there, Shrutesh is here and welcome to this new tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn about the blogger. So, tutorial is related to how to create a free blog on blogger.com. Step by step tutorial for beginners. If you are beginners and you want to do the blogging, so Blogger is an best platforms and it is free of cost. So you can log in Blogger and you can publish your own blog, and from this free blog you can able to make a money online. So this is very important to know how Blogger works. Okay, so in this tutorial we will learn how we can able to create a professional website using a blogger.com. So stay tuned. Now, first of all, we will going to understand what is a blogger. So, Blogger is a blog publishing service that allows multi-user blogs with the timestamp entries. It was developed by Prea Labs, which was brought by Google in 2003. Means it is brought by Google in 2003 from other companies. That name was Prague Labs. Okay. The blogs are hosted by Google and generally accessed from subdomain of blogspot.com. So Google is providing you a free service and free server space using the blogger.com, and you can able to create any website, professional website with the subdomain of blogger.com. Means your domain is like that xyz.blogspot.com. So we will going to see how we can able to create a professional website using the blogger.com for our blogging purposes. Okay, so I have searched here a blogger.com. Blogger.com create a unique and beautiful blogs. So we will going to sign up for this website. Okay, I have clicked here. Then we are here and create your blog. Okay, so you can sign up with your any of the mail. I will sign up from this one my mail. Here is it is a option comes in and create a new blog. Okay, so we will going to give the title of our blog. Digital marketing. Okay, and then you want to choose the address. Okay, digital marketing blogspot.com. So this blog address is not available, so you want to take another. I will here one. Okay, so this blog address is available. So you can able to choose here the various themes. So there is various themes, and you can see here any. So you can choose here any one of them. So I will take this one. Okay, very simple, and just click to create a blog. So it is also asked for the Google domains, but we don't have the paid domains now right now. So I will click here. No thanks. Okay. So I am in here, and I will see my blog view blog. Okay. So there is no post, and this is a simple UI. So I am going here, and I will try to create a new post. Okay. So I am going to create here new post related to what is digital marketing. Okay. Then I have one post related to it. So I will copy it from my documents. Okay. Control here. This one. And then I will put here. Okay. So this one is the my post. Okay. So I want to put here one image. So I will go here, click to image, and then upload from this blog. No, you can able to get it from the Google album, from your phone, from URL. So I will going to upload. So think that I want to take this as image. Okay, it is uploading. Okay, and select. So this image comes here, and you can create it, get it small or medium or large or then extra large. So as per your requirement, you can able to make it small and large. Okay. So I will take it medium. Okay. So this is my blog now, and you can able to select it all, then get it bold. Okay. So italic, right? You can able to change a color of it. You can put a link here. You can insert an image here. You can insert a video here. In can you can able to insert a special character here. So you can able to create a bullet list 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Or highlight anyone a phrase in inverted commas, right? So this one is the Blogger, how to upload a post on Blogger, and you can just click as a publish. Okay, so publish post, and you can view it. Okay, so this is my simple post, and it is looking like this. Okay, so this one is the post section. So all post, it is one published, one statistic. If you are click at the statistic, so it will give you a overview. Page views today's, page views to yesterday's, page view last month, page view all the time history, followers. Okay, so it is going to tell you the all the statistics related to your post. If you go to the post, so here also are related to post statistic, traffic sources. It can also tell you the traffic sources, referring URLs. The traffic is coming from the either from the referring URLs or from the referring sites or from the searching keywords. That will going to tell you which is your audiences. If you see the comments, so there is no comments. If there is an comments, you have an full control over it. You can able to remove the content, you can delete the content, or you can make it as a spam. Okay, so published or spam, you can able to see here. Earnings, if you are qualified for the Google AdSense, so it will show your earnings, day by day earnings, monthly earnings here. If you have a Google AdSense approval, then you can able to create a pages here. Okay, so I will going to create a new page related to that is home. Okay, so I will create a page home. Okay, published. Okay, and anytime you can able to edit it. Okay, so here you can write anything on the home page, right? So it will shows all the pages you have created and published. Then layouts, so this one is the layout section. So this is a favicon. Favicon means the symbol. Symbol. Here is a Google symbol, right? Here is a blogger symbol. If you want to change this symbol, so you can upload your custom symbol here. You can be able to upload your custom image here. This one is the favicon. Okay. So this is a navigation bar, navbar gadget. So you can able to check it out how it looks like. So which one is your preferred, so you can click here. Click, click, and then save. Ah. So header, which header do you want, you can able to change from here. You need a custom header or behind the title, insert title and description. So you can able to change from here. You can save it. as it is. Then column, then main site, it is like the blog post, and you can see the about me and blog archives in the sidebar. Okay. Then footer, what you are going to add in footer, this all is available here. Okay. Then you can able to go to the theme section. Okay. You can able to choose here a theme. There is a various themes available here, and which theme you like most, you can able to upload here. So I thought that I will take this theme. Okay. So I will apply to blog. Okay, theme is applied, and I will going to view a blog. Okay, so my blog is looking like this. Okay, so then after there is a setting. There is a setting. You can go to here in the setting. So you can able to edit a title, description, privacy, or blog address. You can able to fit here the custom URL, means your domain name. Okay. You can able to get a domain from other resources, and you can able to put here. And here is an HTTPS redirect. So you want to redirect or no, means there is HTTPS. There is no HTTPS. So you should always select the S. Okay. Then after there is an post, comments and sharing. So you can able to control how much, how many posts you want to uh, see on first page. Okay. So showcase image with light box, comment and location. Okay. This is also the comment. Who can comment? Anyone can comment. Then comment moderation, never, means it is, if anyone write a comment on your blogs, it is published automatically. If you are going to select the moderation always, so you, the comment first come to your mailbox, जो those email ID you will provide. Okay. And if you moderate it, then it will published. Okay. So you can change here the email also. Okay, this one is my email. Then language performance, so you can able to choose various languages, Arabic. So there is an English, German. Hindi is also available for your blog. If you are having the Marathi, so it is also available. You want to write content on this. Okay. So my language is by default United States English. Okay. Search preferences. So description. This is a part of SEO. Means you can describe your description for the search engine. Custom page not found. Custom redirects. This is all the related to SEO part. Those we will going to see in upcoming videos. Other, import content, backup content. You can able to import a content or backup your content, manage your videos. Okay. Blog feed, you can able to see the blog feed, it is full or it is short. So save setting. Okay. Then user setting, user profile, you can able to edit a user profile. Okay. And reading list, help and feedback. Now here is our blog, how it is looking like. But we want to create a one very professional website using the blogger.com. So how we can able to go through the professional website and professional template, we will see that also. Okay.